Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The PC Doctor. Today, we're diving into the realm of high-performance gaming PCs with an exciting build using some top-of-the-line components. We're putting together an 80K gaming beast that's ready to take on anything you throw at it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First up, powering our system is the mighty Intel Core i5-12400F processor. This 12th gen CPU is a powerhouse, delivering exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. To keep our CPU running cool under pressure, we've paired it with the Deep Cool Gamut G400W HARGB CPU air cooler. Not only does it keep temperatures in check, but it also adds a touch of style with its dazzling ARGB lighting. Next, we have the MSI B760M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. This board is packed with features, including DDR5 memory support, built-in Wi-Fi, and plenty of connectivity options for all your peripherals. For memory, we've opted for the T-Force Vulcan 16GB DDR5 RAM running at a blazing fast 5200 MHz. With this much speed and capacity, you'll never have to worry about bottlenecks while gaming or multitasking. Now, onto the heart of our gaming rig. The Galaxy RTX 3060 12GB graphics card. This GPU is a true powerhouse, delivering stunning visuals and smooth performance in all your favorite games. Storage-wise, we've got the Western Digital Blue SN 581TB M.2 NVMe SSD. With lightning-fast read and write speeds, you'll experience lightning-fast boot times and snappy load times for all your games and applications. Powering our entire setup is the Deepcool PK650D 650W 80+ bronze PSU. With reliable power delivery and efficient operation, it's the perfect choice to keep our system running smoothly. And finally, housing all these powerful components is the Circle Elegant Or X1 ARGB cabinet. With its sleek design and customizable ARGB lighting, it's the perfect showcase for our gaming rig. Now that we have all our components laid out, it's time to put them together and bring this gaming beast to life. And there you have it, folks. Our 80K gaming build is complete and ready to conquer any game you throw at it. I hope you enjoyed following along with the build process, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy gaming.
I was on it.